What's going on, guys? Right now I don't do this very much where I just kind of talk into a camera, so it's kind of different video today. It might be more like a vlog, so yeah, I don't know really why, but I just thought it's a nice day outside, so you know, what's a better time to vlog a little bit and talk with you guys, because I don't really get personal in my videos. Let's be honest, arcade games aren't really opening up my personality. It's me usually just talking or playing something. I always read your guys' comments and figure out you know, what works best with you guys, and I try to change if something works better than an idea, or yeah, right now I'm just kind of vlogging, and thought I'd make some videos today, go out. I usually don't go out too much just because with all the games I have, I feel like I can usually make videos on those, and I don't have to go out, because for me it's kind of embarrassing to go out and stuff. But I thought, no, today I'm just gonna totally devote this half of the day just for making videos with you guys, enjoying that you guys can see that they're entertaining, and I'll try to talk loud and stuff, but sometimes it doesn't work out. So yeah, I'm just gonna go out today, film as many videos as I can for you guys. I don't know if I'll post it all in one video, or maybe it'll be throughout the week, where short 10-minute videos maybe every day or something like that. But right now I'm about to go, and I've got a dead battery, so I'm gonna switch out my battery. Hopefully the other one's charged, or else that's not good. But yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoy it, and I'm probably gonna vlog a little bit more. So if you're not into the vlogging, I won't blame you. You can skip through it. I don't watch vlogs either. But if you guys are interested, you know, sit tight and enjoy the ride. So here we go. Right now, actually, I'll just show you something before I leave. These are my kiddie rides I have in my garage. I'm sure you're wondering why I have these kiddie rides, and actually I have a whistle stop here too, but it's broken. And I actually recently just got these. I'm not even putting them on location, I'm just reselling them because I got them for a pretty cheap price. So yeah, I'll just kind of show you some. I mean, obviously they're I usually get these kiddie rides or any game because I enjoy it to play it and stuff, but when I got these I couldn't. I mean, actually, to be honest, I did ride them. I think I rode this one the most, but I've rode all of these. It gets boring after like 5 seconds, but yeah. And then I also have this game, but this one needs a new computer as well, so I can't play that. But yeah, I thought I'd just show you guys what my garage looks like at the moment. But yeah, I'll show you something else too. I just got one of these. Show you guys my little new toy here. Hopefully I don't fall and bust my camera, that'd be horrible. But yeah, it's called a Smart Balancer, I want to say, and it's my new. I should ride this to my claw locations. That'd be interesting. But male ladies right there, she's probably like, this generation of kids always filming themselves and riding on scooter thingies. But yeah, this thing can go up to like 10 miles per hour. It can go pretty fast. So just skate around on it, I guess. I don't know, roll around, scooter around, balance around. I don't know what you want to call it. But it's yeah, it's pretty fun. I like riding around my neighborhood, getting those weird looks from people, but it's pretty cool. You get like addicted to it almost. Yeah, that's about it. Alright guys, on my way, kind of vlogging like I said I would. I'll try not to crash because it's kind of hard to drive and film. I'd probably not recommend it, but yeah, it's interesting. Right now I'm actually going to Hobby Lobby. It's a, I don't know, they're probably nationwide, but yeah, I think they are. But I'm getting some decorations, I should say, for one of my machines. That's on location. So yeah, it's pretty cool. What I'm getting is basically these little gems as gravel for the claw, basically. So the bottom of the machine looks really good. I think I'll videotape it. I might even do a separate video on it. We'll see. But yeah, it'll look really cool. I'm putting in black lights. I'm putting in the gems, and then there's gonna be like novelty prizes like headphones. And so just came back from Hobby Lobby and got all these rocks, and yeah, I'm basically gonna fill these as gravel. It's kind of expensive, $54 I guess. Hopefully this is enough. I just grabbed like 18 of these. So, oh yeah, there is one with the hole on it. Alright, but yeah, so we're gonna load them in the car, get them in the machine, and it'll look nice. Especially once I get the LEDs in, and these will, all the black lights, it'll reflect off that really good. Alright guys, we're at this machine. Looks decent, I suppose. There's her. See if I can win her. I don't know who this is. Some type of girl, obviously. Maybe with a ponytail. Come on, stay first try. Oh yes, first try. Ooh, I got another one. There's a robot in there too. Sweet. So 2 in 1 basically. Let's do this. Let's go for her, I guess. Maybe. Oh, we can get that yellow horse.
I want that one.
Oh, come on, close. Oh. Come on. Stay. Alright guys, so I just came from a little country buffet. It was kind of weird. There's a lot of people watching me. Hang on. There's a lot of people watching me. There was like 10 maybe, and it's kind of, there's like a crowd, and the bad part is I kept losing, so I was like, eh. So I just gave my stuff to them, and I was kind of eager to get out of there. But yeah, like I said, I try not to be you know, I'm gonna try to talk a little bit, but yeah, because really one of the other reasons I do this too is because it helps with, because I run out of plush. In fact, I'm like out of stuff, so sometimes instead of buying it, I like to win it. But if I can't win anything, there's really no point, especially if I can't post a video. So yeah, I'm gonna try to win some stuff, win some more stuff. I'm about to go into Denny's right now, so that should be fun. And yeah, we'll see what we can do. Let's see what we can win here. Got a few of this strawberry shortcake guys. I mean, girls, I should say. For that. Oh, maybe a Minion. Oh. Right there. Oh, come on. Oh. Maybe. Oh. Oh, stay. Oh. No, it's not gettable. Maybe. Oh. Maybe. Staying. Oh my god, none of these are staying. Nice. Oh, I keep getting stabbed. Alright, we're at this machine. It's looking a little better. Got some minions. I might be able to tip these right in if I'm lucky. We'll see. Oh. Alright, let's go for this pirate one. Forward. Oh. Yeah, move it forward. There we go. Oh my god, we got it. Awesome. Yeah, I got it. There we go. Maybe. Stay. Oh. Maybe. Oh, stay. Oh, yes. Got him. Got him. Hopefully it spins right. Maybe? Oh. Maybe. It's gonna be crazy if this works. Oh. Grab his arm. Oh. No, probably not. Alright, we got the. Let's see what we got. Got this Minion and this frog. Alright, cool. Alright. We got Fed records finally. So if we get this Minion right here. Let's try that. That was so close. Just kidding.
Player one.
Come on. Oh. I'd have to use a swing technique now. I suck at it though, so probably gonna get hated on in the comments. There we go, that should have it. Oh my god. Freaking A. Alright, let's try for this bear one more time before I officially give up on it. I give up on it. Oh wait. Oh. I thought I lost. I was just about to give up too. Alright, let's go for that strawberry shortcake.
Player two.
Get ready. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh no. Please stay. Oh, frick you. Gosh dang it, that was so easy. I just had to win it by the neck. There we go, stay. Nice, go. Nice. So good. Giraffe. Oh, get it now.
Next on the list, Gold Mine. Player one, putting now.
Maybe. Stay. Got him. Got him.